Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discover how to add border in a Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. From the menu bar, click Design. You will see page borders on the right hand side. Click on that. A new window page will open. Make sure you are under page border section and you will see all the styles available. So as soon as you click on the style, on the right side you can preview it. Select any style and you can also change the color of the border, and you can also choose art. There are many arts are available. I am choosing none, and make sure apply to selected as whole document and click OK. They have successfully inserted the column. You can check here. Let's try inserting the different style. So we will follow the same steps. Click page borders and under style you can choose different one and click OK. Now as you can see, the border line is changed. So similarly you can check the size and insert. Now let's try inserting by applying the art. Choose any art from the drop down. Click OK. So we have successfully inserted the border with art. You can change it. I'm just selecting the random one. Click OK. So based on your preference, you can choose the art. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.